It's the first day in the year 2023, and I'm saying Happy New Year to you. Thank you so much for your love, your support so far. I'm really grateful. This is my first cake order this year, and I'm so excited because it has feelings and the outcome was beautiful. The client loved it. The delivery man is here, and I'm just going to put the cake in the car and I'll rush upstairs to start making breakfast for the family. I still feel sleepy from the crossover service in church, but I need to cook first and then I'll rest. We have this chicken that's, let me show you guys. Hello, say hello. You about to go down into our tummy. Why is it looking so small? Anyways, we bought this since Christmas and we're about to kill it now. I love you. Faye, say Happy New Year. Happy New Year. So I want to see the reaction of my children when I bring the chicken to them. I want to see if they will run or if they'll be brave. Okay, Mr. Chicken is about to go down right now. After killing the chicken, next thing is to add your hot boiling water. This will enable it, make it easy. This will make your work easy when you want to pluck out the feathers. I don't know if there's another way to take out the feathers of the chicken without hot water. This is the way I know and I grew up using. Keep quiet, children. So at this point, we're just plucking the feathers of the chicken. This is going to taste so yummy. It's going to taste better than the frozen chicken. Children, can you leave the kitchen? Can you leave the kitchen? You know the rules. I don't want children in the... Bye. Thank you. After taking out the feathers of this chicken, I can't believe the size. It looks so tiny. I mean, see, I guess it's because we didn't feed it because we've gotten it since Christmas. I think a day or two before Christmas, and we didn't really feed it. We got about 6, so we killed some for Christmas, and this is the last one. Just kept this for New Year. So maybe that's why I'll be making jollof rice. So I boiled this pepper down and I'll blend it. I'll use it for the jollof rice and stew. So this is what the pepper mix looks like after blending it. Remember, we had to boil it first until it got soft, and this is what it looks like. Our chicken has been cleaned. It's ready. All we need to do is cut it, yeah, and prepare it. I should make a jollof rice, party jollof, how to make party jollof video. Yep, I'll make that and I'll put it up so you can learn my secret to making amazing, delicious party jollof rice. So let's just get going because everybody needs to eat right now. This part is called oketon. If you are Yoruba, they call it the upper. This part is called oketon in Yoruba language. If you are Yoruba, then you know what I'm talking about. If you're not, it's called the upper lap. And this is the lap. Already cut this one. For this, the wings, they are my favorite part anyways. This is the second upper lap. Of course, you know what this is. Choop, 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 choop. So let's just go ahead and finish the butchering. I actually don't like doing this. I don't like to cut chicken and all of that, but right now I don't think I have a choice. And my husband is watching a movie. I can't call him to assist, so I'm just going to manage. Yeah, so for this bomb, I like to take it out. Yeah. Yeah. So cutting chicken or butchering it is not my forte. So manage me and pardon me anyhow you see this. Okay. At least the important thing is that I tried. Unlike other years that I used to run away from this. I always have one excuse or the other. Like this. There's this knife that they use for things like this if you want to do it at home. I don't have it, man. This is what I have. And I have all those normal knives that we use, but it's not sharpened. I don't have the energy to go and be doing that one now. Anyways, take me as you see me today. There's really nothing much. I'm just going to continue doing this. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please. This thing, I've forgotten the name, but you see this green thing here? I grew up hearing that if it should burst, your old chicken is going to be bitter, like it will get ruined, and there's nothing you can do about it. For these intestines, of course, nobody eats this. This is the liver. This is the gizzard. Guys, this is what I want to even show you. We fed this chicken rice, and I'm touching it. I was wondering why it didn't lay any eggs. The rice we even fed it, like it didn't even digest. Look at it. Anyways, don't let me irritate you guys. For the chicken, I added garlic, ginger, onions. I'll be adding the seasoning and spices, and I'll let it boil. The chicken is finally ready, and we proceeded to frying. My children have been screaming, I want jollof rice, I want jollof rice. So jollof rice it is. So let's check on the rice. It's not yet ready. The water is perfect. I'm just going to cover it and allow it. So we're just going to go ahead and add in our fried chicken. We're at over 400 subscribers. I just want to appreciate you all for your love, your support, your comments, your like, your subscription. I appreciate you. God bless you. Please like, comment, subscribe. This is there. Our smoky jollof rice is ready. Just check it out now. See now, we don't make soggy rice, we don't make tasteless rice, okay? Our chicken stew is also ready. So I dished my husband's food. Yep, I'm taking my zobo cocktail. Person we're also supposed to chop. Look at my own food now. At this point, I was just so tired. I was just trying to catch my breath. This life, try and rest though. Eat well and rest. Yeah, so if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. Please like, comment, subscribe. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.